Hey ho! A little update from me. Today I was refactoring again. I just wanted to finish something before I add more code. So the new refactoring that happened in the Vault means that we create now the noise key pairs inside of the Vault where we're supposed to, and we could remove them. So we were able to remove them actually from encoder, hoster, and a tester roles. So in the database, we had basically a user object, and then the user object had sub-objects, encoder, hoster, and a tester, and then each of these roles had their own noise key. And we figured out this is not needed. We can have one noise key pair because in every work, every job that a certain user is doing, they can only take one of the roles. So there is absolutely no need to have like a special noise key pair for every role. So I removed this, and I also did one other thing. I created one new role worker. So basically we have now just a peer and a worker. So every user is a peer. That means we just register, keep keys, the main keys that we need, signing public key, noise key, and the chain key. And we publish this to the chain. This is how we register, and this is the role peer. And then we have a role worker, and this is for every user that decides to register for work. So we send to the chain the noise key and the and the form, of course. Basically, we don't even send the noise key. Noise key I'm just using to pass it to encoder, hoster, and a tester. Noise key is already on chain. So I'm sending to the chain just the form, and form means basically registration form for work, where a user can define what storage space they have available, their bandwidth, and so on. So this is being published to the chain, and then I'm just triggering those three modules, and these are basically the three workers, encode, host, and attest, and they these are the modules which start basically, for example, for encode, it just starts listening to the chain events, and then whenever there is a new event, it handles this event accordingly and calls necessary functions to finish the job that is needed for encoding. So this was basically the refactoring today. So I'm super happy because the code is shrinking and it's becoming more logical. At the beginning, when we were working on this, it was a concept, and then we started building, and then it was just like, sometimes you just do and add the code just to make things work. But now we know how we want it to work, so we're just like cleaning it up. And yeah, so this was the work that I did today. And tomorrow, I hope I continue with this, what I said I will do today, which is verifying the signatures from hoster and from encoder. So yeah, I'll do this tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, see you soon.